Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today, let's talk about the QtPi motherboard and how we can use the Arduino IDE to program it. I know a lot of you might be wondering how that's possible, and that's exactly what I'm going to teach you today. So let's pick up a simple project. How about the Touchfree tab? So let me quickly grab my motherboard, my IR sensor, my pump motor, and an RJ cable. Once I have all of this, let's go ahead and use the Arduino IDE to program my motherboard. So let's get our laptops out and switch to the screen. So let's get started. If you haven't already installed the Arduino IDE, go ahead and log on to arduino.cc and install it. Since we're building the Touchfree tab, I've written a short program for it, where I check the value of my IR sensor and program the motor or the pump motor accordingly. So, every time the value of my IR sensor goes low, that means I want to turn off the motor, which means that there's nobody detected in front of my tap, and so I don't want water to flow through it. Otherwise, I'm going to program the motor pin to high, which will turn on the motor. Once you've done this, go ahead and select Tools, and from the board's options, select the Arduino Uno. Now we do this because the microcontroller on the Arduino Uno and the QtPi motherboard is the same, and that is the app.328P. If this number confuses you, let it go. It's not important. So select the Arduino Uno in your boards. Again click on Tools and select Port. So usually port is assigned automatically, but in case it hasn't, you can go ahead and select any one from the options. Now, to compile your program, click on this tick mark which is on the top left corner of the screen. You may have to wait a few seconds. Once it's compiled, you can see a little note here saying done compiling. There. Now, to upload this code onto your motherboard or to send it to your motherboard, you're going to use Bluetooth. So go ahead and open the Bluetooth settings of your system and connect and pair with the QtPi motherboard. Once you do this, click on Upload and you'll get a done uploading note here once it's done. Once you've finished uploading, you can go ahead and use your motherboard and see how it works. Okay, so here's my Touchfree tab. I've connected my motherboard, IR sensor, and I have a bottle of water in which I've placed my pump motor. So every time I place my mug in front of this IR sensor, I want the water to flow through this tap. So let me quickly switch it on. Works great! Can you use the Arduino IDE to program the motherboard and control RGB lights? Think about it. We'll meet in the next video.